what if I told you that you could build real, actual income streams with basically $0 upfront? Well, today we're diving into 7 passive income ideas you can literally start from your laptop or your phone. Let's get into it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this for real? Can you actually build real income with no money? And look, we're not talking about some get-rich-quick nonsense here. This is all about creating sustainable income that you build once, and it pays you for years. The answer is 1,000% yes. So let's be super clear about what passive income means, at least for us today. It all boils down to this. You create an asset one time. That could be a design, a video, a piece of writing, whatever. And that single asset, that one piece of work, just keeps generating income for you long after you've finished it. Okay, our first set of ideas is for all the creators out there. This is all about that powerful create once, sell forever model, using the creativity and tools you probably already have. Kicking things off with idea number 1, print on demand. Just imagine selling physical things like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, without ever having to buy inventory, pack a box, or go to the post office. You just supply the creative spark. Seriously, the process could not be simpler. Step 1, you create a cool design. It can be a funny phrase, a cool graphic, anything. Step 2, you upload it to a site like Redbubble. Step 3, well, there is no step 3 for you. You just collect a royalty every time someone buys it. The company does all the heavy lifting, the printing, the shipping, all of it. And it costs you absolutely nothing to get started. All right, next up is a huge one, affiliate marketing. You've probably heard of this one, and for good reason. It's built on a really simple idea. You earn money by recommending products and services you already know and love. The secret sauce here is being authentic. You share a special link to a product you genuinely think is great. When your friends or your audience trust your recommendation and buy it, you get a commission. It's that straightforward. In this game, your trust with your audience is everything. Idea number 3 is fascinating. YouTube automation. This is how you can tap into YouTube's massive ad revenue machine. But here's the kicker. You never, ever have to show your face on camera. So the whole strategy is to create what people call faceless channels. You know, those videos that are just compilations of relaxing rain sounds or historical stories told over stock footage. You can use simple scripts, voiceovers, even AI tools now to create this content. And once a video is up and monetized, it can literally generate ad money for years. Okay, next, let's talk about what might just be one of the most powerful and scalable income streams out there. Digital products. This is the absolute peak of the create once, sell forever model. I mean, the whole process is just perfect. You put in the work upfront to create something awesome, like an ebook, a budget template, or a workout plan. Then you just upload it to a platform like Etsy or Gumroad, and that's it. No shipping, no inventory, just pure, repeated earnings. Okay, let's switch gears a little bit and talk about the investor path. Now, full disclosure, this one does require a little bit of money to get started, but it's a classic for a reason. It is a powerful, time-tested way to build wealth. We are talking about dividend stocks. It sounds complicated, but it's not. Basically, big, established companies, like Apple or Coca-Cola, will literally pay you cash just for owning a tiny piece of their company. That payment is called a dividend. So to make it real, let's say a company pays out 58 cents for every single share you own. Now, that might not sound like a ton of money at first, but when you own 10 shares or 100 shares, well, it starts to add up, and it grows over time. This quote just nails it. It really is like getting a little paycheck in the mail. And the truly amazing part? You can take that dividend money and automatically reinvest it to buy even more shares, which then pay you more dividends. That's the magic of compounding, and it works all by itself. All right, for our final category, we've got what I like to call the everyday earning hacks. These are all about making a little money from things you're probably already doing, which makes them super easy to start. Let's talk about blogging. You can start a blog today for free, writing about something you're genuinely passionate about. And the amazing thing about a blog post is that one article you write today can keep getting visitors and earning you money for years and years. So what's the game plan? It's pretty simple. You write great content that people want to read. As you start to get traffic, you can put simple display ads on your site, and you can even sprinkle in some of those affiliate links we talked about earlier for another layer of income. And our final idea, number 7, is a no-brainer: cashback and reward apps. Now look, this is not going to make you a millionaire, But it is, without a doubt, one of the easiest and most genuinely passive ways to make a little extra money. Just think about it. You're already spending money on groceries, on gas, on shopping online. Apps like Rakuten just give you a little percentage of that money back. You just set it up once, and the cash just trickles in automatically. It's literally effortless. Okay, we've just covered 7 really powerful ideas. But ideas are just ideas. The most important part is turning them into action. So let's talk about your first step. I want you to just pause and really ask yourself this question. Look at the list. Which one gets you excited? Which one feels like something you could actually start this week? Don't try to do all 7, just pick one. That's your starting line. And I want to leave you with this final thought. It is so easy to get overwhelmed and do nothing, but the only way to build something is to, well, start. You've heard the saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time is right now. So what are you going to start building?